So shifting gears a little bit, we've been talking a lot about our customer base and the problems that they're experiencing and kind of the opportunities there. For the investor side, when looking at Inertial Sense and wanting to add that to their portfolio, what are some of the most common topics that are brought up when considering us as a potential?
The VCs that are interested in us have kind of three qualities. One of them is they're interested in what's called frontier tech. They're looking for technology that can literally, I'm not going to use the word disrupt, I hate that word, that can really fundamentally transform legacy industries. So they've got that sort of mindset where they're looking longer term, and they've got more of a higher risk profile than others. Second is they've got some experience in this space. They have made a previous investment in robotics or artificial intelligence or machine learning or something that moves. So they've already got a comfort level established with that. And the third thing is it appropriate for the phase of fundraising that we're doing at that point? If someone only does E&D rounds or something like that, they're not going to come to us. We're too early. But for people that do seed series and A series rounds, you put all three of those things together, that's a great investor for us. And those are the type of people that we're interested in and have expressed interest in us.
Yeah, because it seems like there's that feeling in general that robotics and autonomy will be the future. It's in every movie and the expectations of people all together. But the question is, how are we going to do it? How are we going to get there?
Yeah.
And our product line just is part of that.
Oh, yeah.